Ever wonder why some people seem to have the golden touch, while others struggle no matter how hard they try? Is this happening with you also? Here's a staggering fact. More than 50% of millionaires made their wealth not by earning more, but by avoiding key financial traps. In this video, I'm going to show you the pitfalls keeping people stuck and how you can sidestep them with ease. Stick with me till the end of this video, and you'll uncover those traps that keeps most people broke, and practical steps to steer clear of the traps holding you back from real wealth. Subscribe to me to stay with Wealth Building Journey, and let's get started. Number 1. Chasing status over stability. Let's start with this. In the Millionaire Next Door book, authors Thomas Stanley and William Danko reveal that most millionaires drive used cars and live in modest homes. Why? Because wealth isn't about what you show, it's about what you keep. If your friend buys the latest gadgets and designer clothes to look successful, while you invest your money in index funds, after 5 years, your friend will have depreciated zero-value assets while you have a portfolio of worth $50,000. Focus on building wealth, not projecting it. True wealth whispers. It doesn't shout. When you stop chasing status, you free up resources for investments, experiences, and a life of genuine freedom. Number 2. The busy trap. Confusing activity with productivity. Here's a trap we all fall into. Being busy but not effective. You might think working 12-hour days is the key to success, but here's the kicker. It's not about how much you work, it's about working on the right things. In Essentialism by Greg McKeown, he emphasizes the importance of focusing on fewer but better tasks. The Pareto principle, or 80-20th rule, applies here. 80% of results come from just 20% of your efforts. Audit your day. Ask, what's the one thing I can do today that will have the biggest impact on my financial goals? By focusing on high-value activities, you'll multiply your results and save time for what truly matters. Number 3. Lifestyle inflation. Picture this. You get a pay raise and the first thought in your head is, I deserve that new car or vacation. Sounds familiar? That's lifestyle inflation, a sneaky trap that keeps you living paycheck to paycheck no matter how much you earn. According to survey, nearly 60% of people earning 6 figures still live paycheck to paycheck. If you landed a high-paying job or pay increases, don't upgrade your car, apartment, or wardrobe. If you go into debt, there is no use of excess money despite earning double than previous salary. Every time your income increases, resist the urge to splurge. Instead, direct that extra money toward investments, savings, or debt repayment. Number 4. The get-rich-quick mindset. We've all seen the ads. Make $10,000 in a week from home. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? Here's the harsh truth. Real wealth takes time and strategy. Quick fixes often lead to quick losses. Be smart, don't fall into trap. Shift your mindset from quick to consistent. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built brick by brick, day by day. By focusing on steady growth, you gain control over your finances and avoid unnecessary risks, ensuring sustainable wealth. Number 5. Ignoring budgeting and tracking. If you don't know where your money is going, how can you control it? Ignoring a budget is like sailing without a compass. You'll drift aimlessly until you crash. Studies show that people who actively budget save 20% more than those who don't. Start using simple app to track your expenses. You can cut off many expenses from your day-to-day living and those you invest in stock portfolio. Tracking your expenses isn't restrictive, it's empowering. It gives you control over your financial narrative. When you know where every dollar goes, you can make smarter decisions, save more, and invest confidently. Number 6. Neglecting personal development. Your income grows only as fast as you do. Neglecting personal development is like trying to run a marathon without training. You'll burn out fast. Bill Gates famously spends weeks each year in think weeks, reading and strategizing. This habit has helped him stay ahead for decades. Invest in yourself. Read books, attend workshops, or simply spend 30 minutes a day learning something new. Knowledge compounds, just like money. The more you grow, the more opportunities you'll see and seize. Number 7. The comfort trap. Comfort is seductive. It whispers, take it easy, you've earned a break. But here's the shocking truth. Staying in your comfort zone is one of the fastest ways to stall your financial growth. Success lies in pushing past your comfort zone. Ask yourself, am I too comfortable to grow? Break the cycle. Start small. Learn a new skill, invest in personal development, or step into a side hustle. By challenging your limits, you not only expand your earning potential, but also build resilience and adaptability, the true currencies of wealth. Here's the truth. Getting rich isn't about luck, it's about choices. Avoiding these traps puts you miles ahead of those who fall for them. So here's my challenge to you. Write down one comfort zone habit you'll break. Identify one area of lifestyle inflation and cut it back. Commit to learning one new skill this month. Do this, and you'll see the ripple effect not just in your finances, but in your entire life. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.